What's up guys, MrAlanC, and are you ready for the ultimate hydraulic press video? Alright, this crush is going to be sponsored by hiphopbling.com. Be sure to check them out. hiphopbling.com provided all of these items. We got a 10 karat gold plated dookie chain right here. 24 karat gold ring. Take a look at this bad boy with 10 karat diamonds. We're going to be crushing this with the hydraulic press. And don't forget the Super Techno watch with 10 karat diamonds in the watch face. Alright guys, I'm going to try some of this on and then we're going to crush it. Let's do this, and don't forget to visit hiphopbling.com. And hiphopbling.com really hooked your boy up this time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and visit hiphopbling.com. I mean, I could get used to this. Can I please keep this ring? I don't want to smash it. We're smashing it. Pinky, what are you doing, baby? Baby, now is not the time. Daddy needs to crush this stuff. This watch is water resistant and stainless steel and everything, and we're going to crush it. Thanks, hiphopbling.com. Let's get to it. Great, now I got diamonds all over my freaking carpet. Third world problems. Visit hiphopbling.com for all your jewelry needs. And a big thank you to hiphopbling.com for sponsoring this video and providing us all the timeless pieces of jewelry that we crushed in this video.